Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install custom LED lamp notifications on Realme 9 Pro Plus. And to do this you'll need to open your Google Play Store and find Notify Buddy app. It's this app right here and you need to install it. When it's ready, click on Open, move to the next step and grant 3 permissions. Last right here is battery optimization, which is optional to disable, so let's move on. Then click on OK and app is good to go. Now you can see 4 tabs. There's User, System, Active and Settings. In User you can find all apps that you can activate for LED lamp notifications. In System you can find all system-bound apps. In Active there's all apps that you've just activated, and if you go to your settings you can customize the LED lamp. Now let's click on the test button and you can see it right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.